So hello guys and welcome to Pragati Tutorials, and this is another puzzle and quite interesting puzzle, and this puzzle has been asked in SNAP or and other exams quite a few times. So let me explain what the puzzle is asking us. So आपने पुरानी घड़ियां देखी होंगी, बड़ी बड़ी घड़ियां होती थी and they were going to make sound. जब एक बजता था तब it is going to strike once like ting. जब दो बजते it will strike twice like ting ting. Similarly, जब 5 बजेंगे it will strike 5 times and for that it is taking 20 seconds. So puzzle is asking जब 10 बजेंगे to strike 10 times, how much time it will take. And it is not very straightforward. Okay, it is not very straightforward. Like, okay, so to strike 5 times it is taking 20 seconds, so it will take 40 seconds to strike 10. No, this is not the answer. So you have to think what is the hint or what could be the thing why it is not taking 40 seconds. So as a hint, I'm saying, जब 5 बजते, ओके, जब 5 बजते ऐसी घड़ी होती है, लेट्स से दिस इज माय क्लॉक, एंड जब 5 बजते हैं माय आवर हैंड विल बी एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस, मिनट हैंड भी यहाँ पर होगा, एंड जब सेकंड हैंड धीरे धीरे जब एग्जैक्टली 12 पे पहुंचता है, सेकंड हैंड जब एग्जैक्टली 12 पे पहुंचता है, then it will strike once. Then it will strike once. So first strike at here, and it is taking 20 more seconds to strike. How much time? It is taking 20 more seconds to strike how much time? So exactly 12 pita, it will strike once. So four more strikes. 4 more strikes. It is taking 20 seconds. अभी कुछ बात आई समझ में? So from this time it is taking 20 more seconds for 4 more strikes. Similarly, जब 10 बजेंगे exactly 12 पे there will the clock will strike once, and it will take how many seconds for 9 more strikes. This is what you have to think. Almost मैंने आंसर बता ही दिया है. So for 4 more strikes it is taking 20 seconds. So for one strike, for one strike, for one strike it will take 5 seconds. For one strike, it will take 5 seconds. For 9 more strikes, so at 10 o'clock, so 9 more strikes, it will take 9 5s are 45 seconds. Or there is one more alternative way to think. When the clock is going to strike 5 times, okay, so it will strike 1 times, then it will take some gap, again second time, gap, third time, gap, fourth time, gap, and fifth time. Ding, 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 ding. So how many gaps are there? Okay, how many gaps are there? And it is taking time for what? It is not taking more time to strike. Din, 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 din. Not like this. Okay. It is taking time in between the two strikes. In between the two strikes. So for this gap, it is taking 20 seconds. Okay. When it is going to strike 5 times, for this gap, it is taking 20 seconds. That means for 4 gaps. For 4 gaps, it is taking 20 seconds. This is what information is given. And when it is going to strike 10 times, there will be 9 gaps. There will be 9 gaps. So for how much time it will take for 9 gaps? Okay, for 9 gaps, how much time it will take? 4 gaps, 20 seconds. So for each gap, it will take 5 seconds. So for 9 gaps, it is going to take 9 5s are 45 seconds. 9 5s are 45 seconds. So 45 is the